At Synergi-FX, our goal is implementing automation for business growth and success, from the control room to the boardroom. The typical architecture for an automated process includes some form of site automation, where there's a process, a PLC or DCS controller, a control room HMI, and some form of historian database for collection of trend data. There's also a connection through the internet or wide area network to the corporate headquarters servers, and that's usually done through IT. There's also a reporting group that takes the data off the corporate servers, creates reports, and typically hand delivers them to the corporate decision makers in the boardroom. To implement this, there's several groups that are required. The first is automation engineering to design and implement the site automation system, corporate IT to configure the communications, and production accounting to generate the reports. There's a lot of disparity between these groups because they don't actually work together. They're separate entities, and sometimes it's difficult to make them work together because their KPIs and success criteria typically differ. The IoT architecture is similar, but there's some really significant differences. The site automation is the same, but on top of that, Synergi-FX will add an IoT gateway. This will take data out of the control system in whatever format or protocol it's in, convert it to a secure protocol such as MQTT, upload it to a historian where there's analytics capabilities in an Azure or AWS environment, and generate corporate dashboards from that data in real time for the corporate decision makers. Site automation, configuration of the IoT gateway, and the configuration of the storage and corporate database and dashboards is all performed by Synergi-FX. We will engineer a solution for your automation and data collection for your processes, from the control room to the boardroom. The corporate solution today typically consists of production line equipment. Now, this equipment isn't always compatible with each other. They don't talk the same protocols, they don't display the same data. What we do is we take them and we will provide integrated automation to allow all of these different systems to communicate together in an integrated system. The corporate head office servers typically has their own IT standards, CRM software, Microsoft Dynamics, corporate applications, those kind of things. There may even be other production facilities that would be likely involved in the reporting, and they need to be integrated together. It doesn't matter whether it's agriculture or oil and gas, the solution is the same. The network connectivity is an easy part of the solution. What we do to add value is we apply that through a storage, historian, and analytics engine to provide the data to the decision makers. Most sites already have a controller. In agriculture, there's HVAC systems, grow systems, sprinklers, irrigation, lighting, different functions. What we would do is we would overlay sensors to collect temperature, humidity, CO2, identification of contaminants. We can even integrate environmental control using cameras with analytics, security, integrate that into standard operating procedures, provide an IoT gateway as stated before, analytics, and dashboards for the C-suite. Thank you very much.